How does one tiny cell know to build your eyes, hair, and heart? The answer is hidden inside DNA. Today, we unlock the secret of life. Inside every cell is a nucleus. The nucleus holds chromosomes made of DNA. A gene is a small section of DNA that codes for one protein. DNA is written in 4 letters: A, T, G, and C. They pair as AT and GC. Every 3 letters form a codon, the code for one amino acid. Before a cell divides, DNA replicates. The 2 strands unzip and new bases attach by complementary pairing. Result: 2 identical DNA copies. Step 1 is transcription. In the nucleus, DNA is copied into messenger RNA. Note, RNA uses U instead of T. The mRNA then leaves the nucleus. Step 2 is translation. The ribosome reads mRNA codons. Each tRNA brings the matching amino acid. They join up to form a protein chain. Example 1. The DNA reads TAC, GGA, CTT. Swap each base for its RNA partner. We get AUG, CCU, GAA as our mRNA. Jacob and Monard showed how genes switch on and off. A repressor protein blocks the gene. When lactose appears, it removes the repressor and the gene turns on. Many students get this wrong. In DNA, T pairs with A. In RNA, T is replaced by U. Also, replication makes DNA, but transcription makes mRNA. Remember the path: DNA to RNA to protein. Use the phrase DRT. DNA replicates, RNA transcribes, then translates. This is the central dogma of life. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.